Welcome to Aswani classes percentage part 1. In this part we are going to discuss basic concept of percentage and also solve some problems based on percentage. So let us discuss percentage. Suppose we generally use these things in our real life. Suppose a student got 52 marks in any subject out of full marks 100. In any subject a student got 52 marks out of 100. So how can we express it? We write 52 divided by 100. This is the mark obtained by the student. It means the student has got 52 marks out of a total of 100 marks. Okay. This type of fraction, this is a fraction. We already discussed fraction in the previous chapters. So this type of fractions whose denominator is 100, denominator 100 means taken out of 100, are called percentage. 42 by 100, 39 by 100, these type of fractions are called percentage. So we can say a fraction whose denominator is 100 is called percentage. कोई भी फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 100 होगा उसको हम लोग परसेंटेज बोलेंगे. These all are called percentage. 52 by 100 it is percentage, and this is a fraction 52 by 100. Its numerator, this is called numerator, this is called denominator. 52 is numerator, 100 is denominator. Its numerator of the fraction, that is 52, is called rate percent. This is called rate percent or simply percent. It is called rate percent or in short simply percent. 52 by 100 is percentage. Its numerator is called rate percent. Its rate percent is 52 and it is written as 52% in this way. This is the symbol we use for writing percent. Similarly, this is a fraction. It is 52%. 52 by 100 means if it is a fraction whose denominator is 100, then numerator is called its rate percent. It is 52%. We write in this way. So 42 by 100 means 42%. 39 by 100 means it is 39%. In this way, any fraction whose denominator is 100, then numerator is called percent, rate percent or simply percent. Percent means, cent means 100, per means it is rate, percent means per 100. Anything which is calculated out of 100, कुछ भी चीज जो 100 में कैलकुलेट करते हैं, 100 में कितना, उसको हम लोग परसेंटेज बोलते हैं, और उसका जो न्यूमरेटर होगा उसको हम लोग परसेंट बोलते हैं. जैसे किसी स्टूडेंट को 82 मार्क्स मिला आउट ऑफ 100, तो उसका परसेंटेज हुआ 82 by 100. ओके, कितना परसेंट नंबर मिला, 82% बोलेंगे उसको, और उसको लिखते हैं हम लोग ऐसे 82% means the student has got 82% marks. 82% means 82 by 100. 32% means 32 by 100. So in this way any percentage can be converted into fraction, and fraction can also be converted into percentage if its denominator is 100. Now the thing is that let me rough. There is a fraction, let us take 2 by 25, convert it into percent. इसको परसेंट में लिखना है, रेट परसेंट में, 2 by 25. So we know if in a fraction denominator is 100, then its numerator is called percent. So in order to convert this fraction into percent, you must bring the denominator 100. ये डिनोमिनेटर को आप 100 बनाइए, तो ये 25 है, इसको आप 100 कैसे बनाएंगे? ऑब्वियसली 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से ये 100 होगा। तो 4 से जब यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कीजिएगा डिनोमिनेटर में, तो आपको न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा बैलेंस करने के लिए। ओके, सो नाउ इट बिकम्स 8 by 100. Now denominator is 100. If denominator is 100, then its numerator is called rate percent, means 8%. So 2 by 25, your initial fraction was 2 by 25. 2 by 25 means it is 8%. Okay. Suppose 6 by 20, you want to write it as a percent. ये कितना परसेंट हुआ? Try to convert the denominator into 100. So obviously by multiplying 5 we can convert the denominator 100. So it is 30 by 100. So it is 30%. Or simply our first fraction was 2 by 25. Question was to convert it into percent. You simply multiply it. Same thing will come. Multiply it by 100. 25 4 times 100. 4 into 2 8. It will be converted into percent. Here 6 by 20. Question was to convert into percent into 100. 20 5 times, that is 30%. In this way any fraction can be converted into percent, and percent can easily be converted into fraction. 8% means 8 by 100. 30% means 30 by 100 it will come. See, only 7 question is convert it into percent. 7 means it is also a fraction. It is 7 by 1. If you want to convert it into percent, you have to bring denominator 100, and for that multiplying numerator and denominator by 100. So this becomes 700 by 100. Now denominator 100. So numerator is your percent. So it is 700%. Okay. So simply 7, you want to convert it into percent, multiply it by 100. 700%. 0.3, you want to convert it into percent. 0.3 means it is also fraction. So simply multiply it by 100. What will be 3 into 100? 300, decimal after one digit from right side. So 30. So this will be your 30%. In this way any fraction can be converted into fraction, into percentage. Let us see 1-2 more problems which will help you. Okay, simple. Suppose 2 is to 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. 2 is to 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. Convert it into percent. First of all, you write it 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3, it is 11, 11 by 4. Now you want to convert it into percent. You simply write 11 by 4 into 100. This will gives you percent. So it is 25. Now 11 into 25, you will multiply whatever come, that much percent. So in this way we can convert any fraction or mixed fraction into percent. Okay. Now let us see a simple problem to understand the concept of percent. Let us write, find 33 is to 1 by 3% of 1500 kilogram. This is the question. Generally in 5-6 standard this type of questions are there. 5, 6, 7 standard. 33 is to 1 by 3% you have to calculate of 1500 kilogram. Okay. See, first of all convert this mixed fraction into fraction. 33 into 3, 99 plus 1, it is 100 by 3% of 1500 kilogram. Okay. Now 100 by 3% means 100 by 3 whole divided by 100. ऐसा पढ़े ना, जैसे 5% means 5 divided by 100. So 100 by 3% means, see here, 100 by 3%, it means 100 by 3 whole divided by 100. Okay, here it is 100 means 100 by 1. So this can be written as 100 by 3. 100 by 1, this becomes 1 by 100. So simply you can write 100 by 3 into 100. This is what does it mean, 100 by 3%. Of will be converted into मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ऑफ मतलब उसको आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन लिख दीजिएगा, इतना टाइम्स मतलब 1500. नाउ लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई. 100 कैंसिल. 1500 by 3, it is 1500 by 3. So simply it is 500 kg. So 33% of 1500 kilogram is 500 kilogram. Okay. One more problem. What percent is 5 kilogram of 400 kilogram? Let us see this question. What percent is 5 kg of 400 kg? 5 किलोग्राम 400 किलोग्राम का कितना परसेंट है? Okay. See, you have to take 5 kilogram out of 400. This is the fraction. Here fraction is 4 by 400 kilogram. 5 by 400 kilogram. 5 kilogram out of 400 kilogram. So it is 5 by 400 is your fraction. You have to convert it into percent. So simply multiply it by 100. So 20 cancel. It will be 5 by 4%. 5 by 4% means divide 5 by 4. 1.0482. So it will come 1.25 5%. 5 kg of 400 kg is 1.25% it is. Okay. 5 किलो 400 किलो का कितना परसेंट है? तो 1.25%. देखिए एक और क्वेश्चन. The population of a village increased from 630 to 700. Suppose population of a village increased from 630 to 700. 630 था, बढ़ के 700 हो गया. What is the percent increase? Percent increase. कितना परसेंट इंक्रीज किया? एक विलेज का पॉपुलेशन 630 था, वो बढ़ के हो गया 700. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द परसेंट इंक्रीज? तो उसका कितना परसेंट बढ़ा पॉपुलेशन? परसेंट इंक्रीज कितना बढ़ा पहले ये बताइए. 630 था, बढ़ के हो गया 700. कितना बढ़ा? घटा लीजिए, सबट्रैक्ट कीजिए. 700 माइनस 630, दिस विल गिव्स यू 70. मीन्स पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज. हाउ मेनी पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज्ड? 70. आउट ऑफ कितना? आउट ऑफ 6 पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा है 70. आउट ऑफ 630 और आउट ऑफ 700. जितना था उसमें बढ़ा है ना, 700 में तो नहीं बढ़ा. 630 था ना. आउट ऑफ 630 इतना ही था पहले, उससे 70 बढ़ गया, हो गया 700. सो पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज 70 आउट ऑफ 630. 630 में 70 बढ़ा. सो दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ इंक्रीज. इंक्रीज फ्रैक्शन 70 out of 630. You have to find percent increase, so multiply it by 100. In order to convert any fraction into percent, we simply multiply it by 100. So simply you multiply it by 100, this will gives you the percent increase of population. So let us see. 7. So 7 9, so it is 100 by 9, this much percent. You can divide 100 by 9. Let us divide. 1 0, again 0.0. So in this way it will continue, I think. 9 1 9, 1 10, again 9 1 9, 10, 1 and this 0 10. Okay. Now point 1, then point, then 0, 9 1 9 again. So let it be 100 by 9. No need to find in decimal, or 11.11 you can write. So 100 by 9%, or you can write it in this way. 100 divided by 9. 9 1 9, 1 0, again 9 1 9. Let it be, and write it 11 is to 1 by 9. This much percent. This can be written as 11 is to, it is read as 11 is to 1 by 9%, or simply you can write 11 by 9%, or if you divide, you want to get it in decimal, it will come 11.11 and so on. So 11.11% you can write. So in this way we can convert fraction into percent, percent into fraction. We can find some percentage value of a given thing. So these were some basic concept of percent. In this video, keep this much. In the next part, means in part 2, we will try to discuss few more problems, different types of problems we try to solve. So in this video this much. Thank you for watching.